Hey everyone, welcome back. So let me ask you something. Have you ever spent way too long reading vinyl, getting frustrated with all those tiny pieces stuck in between your letters? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's a feature that does most of that work for you automatically? Sounds good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today I'm going to show you the automatic weedline feature that's going to change your crafting game. Let's dive in. Before we jump into this, you're going to want to make sure you already have your design ready and loaded in your media workspace. So go ahead and get that sorted first. Okay, so once your design is ready, head over to the right hand side of your screen where the toolbar is. You'll see a bunch of different panels there. What you're looking for is the weed setting panel. Just click on that. Now, if you're looking around and you can't see to find the weed settings panel, don't panic. There's a little pop-up arrow somewhere on the toolbar. Just click on that and it should reveal the weed settings panel for you. Alright, now here's where it gets fun. Inside the weed settings panel, you're gonna see a drop-down menu labeled weed lines. Click on that and you'll see 4 different options pop up: horizontal, vertical, H/V, and recursive. So here's the thing. The recursive option is honestly the best one for most projects. What it does is automatically find the space between each shape and letter in your design, and then it creates weeding lines in there. Now, if you want to fine tune things a bit, you can use the padding slider to adjust how much spacing you want between the weed border and your design. Just drag that slider left or right until it looks good for you. And finally, you'll notice there's an option that says only shapes on media. If you check this box, it'll include the weed lines around shapes that are actually inside for your cut area. If you uncheck it, it'll add weed lines around everything, even stuff outside the cut area. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.